The online causation calculator is an easy-to-use application that uses the formulas from the Deepwater Horizon Settlement to compute causation and determines if a business qualifies to file a claim. To start using the calculator, sign in with your username and password. Once you sign in, you will be presented with the Add Client screen. Use this form to enter in a business claimant's profile and monthly revenue. Only the fields marked with an asterisk are required. Start by entering in the business name or ID. We understand that client confidentiality is important, so you have the option to submit either the business name or a self-generated ID. Next, you would select the zone. You can also choose to enter in the claimant's address information, but those fields are not required. Next, select the revenue start date, and finally, enter in the monthly revenue from January 2007 through December 2011. Click on the Calculate button when you are finished. The calculator will compute a specific revenue pattern to determine causation and generate a report. This example shows a report where the business claimant meets the V-shaped revenue pattern. The report also shows the claimant's eligible benchmark periods. Based on the calculation results, a message gets generated to let the user know what their next step is. Depending on the revenue pattern will depend on the message. If the business claimant meets the V-shaped revenue pattern, then that business qualifies to file a claim. To meet V-shape, both the downturn and upturn percentage requirement for that zone has to be met. The report shows the calculations in these tables here. If the requirement was met, then the cells would be highlighted in yellow. If the claimant fails V-shape and meets the modified V or decline-only revenue pattern, check the generated message to see what you will need to do next. This example here says that the claimant meets decline only, and they can only establish causation if they are able to satisfy the additional requirements described in Exhibit 4B, Section 2 of the settlement. Click on the link provided to go straight to Exhibit 4B of the settlement, and make sure to read up on those sections in order to determine what those requirements are. Under the View tab is where you can track all of your causation calculations that you've entered in an easy-to-read chart. There are columns that show the claimant's business name, their zone, whether or not they've passed causation, and a column to view their results report. If you need to update a claimant's profile or change a revenue amount, click on the business name link and go straight to the update form. From here, you will be able to make the changes. When you are finished making changes, click on the Update Calculation button to update the claimant's information and generate a new report. There are also options to change your account password, and you can also send feedback. What new features and enhancements would you like to see? Use this form to submit product suggestions or to report any issues with the calculator. Let us know how we can improve. To sign out of your account, click on the Sign Out tab. As you can see, the online causation calculator is very straightforward. It's very easy to use. It's a simple way to determine whether or not a business qualifies to file a claim. Additionally, we offer BP Claim website design services to help market your BP Claim services and to help you generate more leads. Here's an example of a BP Claim website that we could create for your firm. You can add your own logo, your phone number, company bio, customize it to your liking. Your website will also come with a built-in causation calculator that will allow visitors to enter in their revenue. You will automatically be alerted with the results. If you already have a website, we can add a causation calculator plugin onto your existing website. For pricing information or to learn more about our Deepwater Horizon tools and services, please visit bpclaimcalculator.com or call 1-800-259-4213.